Hi guys, so this is the second day of Ooty of ours and here raining a little bit and we are ready and let me show you the outside a little bit. So you can see it's raining, beautiful weather. This is my look today. This shirt I have taken from Myntra. If you want, you can ask me for the link. This earrings is also I have ordered. Thank you. Hi guys, so finally we have reached now and this name is Pine Forest. There are so many. Just see, let me show you how it looks. Isn't it look so pretty? Hardly you can see the ending of that. And it's little bit drizzling. This is my loving husband. You just see. In fact, you will see this. See. You if it's slippery little bit, so whenever you come Ooty and if it is rainy season, you have to walk very carefully. One cannot take a single wrong step. Even I'm afraid to walk into this, but my husband is taking care of me so well. So I'll show you the things, show you the photo, and it's raining. Let's see what else next. This is so beautiful, guys. Second sightseeing name was 90 Miles and many Bollywood movies shooting also happened here like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Main Hoon Na, Rosa and many South movies also. It was so chill that we couldn't even breathe and talk. It was so lovely. And this is the main gate of that. Just in front of that opposite road there was a boating section. It's very beautiful but because of rain we couldn't go there. Second was dam. Dam was locked because of heavy rain there. It was beautiful. So guys, now we have reached finally the Paikara Eco Development Commitment Paikara Waterfall. Yes, I know the name is very big, so let me show you the name. So basically it's a waterfall, it's so beautiful. So once I'll go inside, I'll show you the more things and you can see the flowers here, it's so beautiful. Once we'll start going inside, I'll show you the things and be with me. So guys, now we have reached finally the waterfall and let me show you. It's so beautiful guys and you can see from behind but I'll show you from front. Just see this guys. ये पानी का शोर सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ है इस दुनिया में. कहाँ से बहती हुई आ रही होगी न जाने ये शरारती झरने की आवाज़. कहीं दूर से कितना सुकून पहुंचाती है ये. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. आप देखिए दूर दूर तक से वादियाँ ही वादियाँ हैं. From far to far, it's only clouds and clouds and beautiful waterfall and my beautiful husband. So guys, I hope whatever I'm showing you, you are liking it and these are the beauty, one of the very marvelous beauties of Ooty. So this is the third, as I said, this is the third sightseeing and it's very famous. So whenever you come on Ooty, you must have checked out this waterfall and still we have to go this much far. We have not reached yet. But यहाँ से व्यू इतनी खूबसूरत आ रही थी कि मैंने सोचा एक बार मैं दिखाऊं. So stay tuned. कभी बारिश होती है. Sometimes here will be continuously, sometimes rain, sometimes clouds, sometimes rain, sometimes maybe sunlight. Especially in October it will happen like this guys. So be ready with your winter cheat or umbrella or raincoat or anything. And here are some pictures to just show you that how beautiful it was. Waterfalls are always beautiful but this one was very deep and we walked a lot to see that. This is the picture area, you can get some picture. And finally, of course, Maggie in the Hills is must and it was very tasty. One small cute shop was there outside the waterfall and their husband wife was running this. You can have juice, tea, coffee and Maggie, everything there. I had Maggie because I was a little bit hungry and this is how. Let's see the next day. Guys, waterfall से हम लोग निकल चुके हैं. हम लोग यहाँ पे मैगी वैगी खाया, पेट पूजा की. लंच नहीं था, थोड़ा स्नैक्स था. कॉफ़ी की बहुत ज़रूरत थी क्योंकि बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. और अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने आज के ट्रिप का लास्ट साइट सीइंग के लिए जो कि है व्हाट्स द नेम
Mudumalai Safari. And that's safari, and we are going to watch elephant there, guys. And let me show you something from the mirror. So beautiful. Even by sitting in the car, also you can enjoy the beautiful views. That's beautiful things about Ooty. So till then, bye bye. So guys, I'm going to show you a chart now कि कौन कौन से जानवर इधर रिसेंटली लोगों ने वैन में जब वैन में थे देखे थे. So I want to show you that. Just have a look at this tiger. You see the date mentioned last sighted and total number and the animal's name here. तो 27 को यानी कि कल गाइस एक टाइगर देखा गया है. एंड इफ यू विल सी दिस 28 यानी आज मॉनिटर लिजर्ड देखा गया है गाइस, वो भी एक. ओ माय गॉड, आई होप वी आर लकी एनफ टू सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स. So see, this is the ticket counter. Here you can take the ticket and give your name for the van. And here the vans are waiting one by one. It will come. And this is the whole system here. We'll watch and wait for our turn. Right, finally now we are in the safari jeep after waiting little bit, and you can see there are so many people, and we are in front and few are in back, and now we will go actually in between the forest, and I hope I will see some animals, tiger or something. So let's see. And oh my god, Mudumalai को लेकर definitely I am going to make a separate video. It deserves that. It is very far from Ooty. It takes so much hour from car by car to reach there Mudumalai. It's original forest, guys, no artificial nothing. And now we are in the safari jeep, you can see, and we are actually literally walking in between the forest. There we saw very cute wild animals. They look cute from far, but never try to chase them or go very near to them, especially the elephant. And you can, I saw 200 more deers there. This was so mesmerizing, guys. You can see this. See, I think there is some tiger was there, because suddenly all the deer started running, and we all guessed the same, but we couldn't see him. Obviously tiger will be hidden in the long grasses, so we couldn't see tiger, but their action made us feel that they must have seen something, and it was beautiful, guys. Mudumalai, you must. So guys, this is the jeep of our jungle safari. This bhaiya is taking us, and I'm so excited, guys. This is the jeep, and now the jeep has stopped. Oh my god, you can see this road. It's not a road, it's just a कच्ची मिट्टी, और हम बिल्कुल जंगलों के बीच में है गाइस. ये देखो गाइस, हम लोग बिल्कुल जंगलों के बीच में है. किसी भी जगह से अचानक शेर आ सकता है गाइस. ये हनीमून तो बहुत ज़्यादा एडवेंचरस है. और ये भैया ने अभी ये जिप रोका है, क्योंकि अभी ये देखो हम ये वाटरफॉल देखने जा रहे हैं, और ये बिल्कुल जंगलों के बीच में से हम लोग जा रहे हैं गाइस. मतलब मुझे बहुत डर भी लग रहा है, बहुत एडवेंचरस भी है ये. दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल गाइस. जिन्होंने मूवीज़ में जंगल देखा है और असली का जंगल देखना चाहते हैं, तो ये वीडियो उनके लिए है. आप देख सकते हो, आप सब भी ये ज़रूर ट्राई करना गाइस. This is the beautiful waterfall. Guys, now we have reached to waterfall, and you can see it's so beautiful. मतलब मैं जितना बता नहीं सकती, इससे ज़्यादा सुंदर है गाइस. और ये बीचों बीच जंगल के बीच में है, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट मिडिल ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. एंड ये फॉरेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा गहरा है. यहाँ पर ये वाटरफॉल है. कितने जानवर यहाँ के पानी पीते होंगे. देखिए यहाँ पे एक एक पेड़, एक एक चीज़ आपको एक कहानी बता रही है. चाहे वो कोई पेड़ हो या वो ये वाटरफॉल हो. एक सूखी हुई पेड़ भी कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही है. और ये घाटियाँ देख रहे हैं आप, दिस माउंटेन्स. I don't have any words. I'm speechless now. It's so beautiful, guys. Just so beautiful. Guys, it's almost now sunset, and we are still in the jeep, the safari jeep, and lights अब on हो चुकी है. और now I think night time jungle look more beautiful, more natural, and more thrilling. It is so adventurous. You can see. So guys, the second day of Ooty and Mudumalai was awesome. I can't even explain in words. It was full of adventure, nature, beauty. Oh my god, you just, of course I would say, I know you must have so many hill stations, but if you haven't completed Ooty and Mudumalai,